Yes, welcome students. Today I'm going to describe another topic in discrete mathematics, that is about laws of prepositions. Laws of prepositions. That's what I'm going to define now. See, if P is a proposition, then idempotent law says that P or P equals the truth value of P itself. That is, you take truth value of P, or that is a connective with the truth value of P again, then it will give you the truth value of P. Similarly, truth value of P, and you connect P by a connectives and you will get the truth value of P itself. This is true for all statements. Okay, whether the truth value of that is true or false, that is true. Next one is identity law, which says that if truth value of P is connected by R with a contradiction, a false truth value, then you will get the truth value of P. Okay, the truth value of P or with the false or contradiction, you will get the truth value of P. But if you take this and if the truth value of P and tautology, and which tautology gives you tautology. Okay, so when P and tautology is connected with tautology, it gives you tautology. When P are contradiction connected, then it will give you the truth value of P itself. Now the third law says that it is called a dominant rule. That dominant rule says that if P is connected by R, the connectives R, with the tautology, you get tautology. U connected with R, tautology, it gives you tautology. And P unconnected with the contradiction, you will get contradiction. P, any premise or proposition, and with contradiction, you will get a contradiction. The fourth law says that a complement law, the complement law, which says that if P and its negation of P is connected by R, then the truth value is true, a tautology. If you are, what is the meaning of this? If you take the whatever may be the truth value of this preposition, or with the negation of P, then the truth value will be equal to a tautology. But if you take as a connectives, P is a preposition, a negation P is another position, preposition, and connect these two by then you will get a contradiction. This is true. This is true. Lot of propositions were taken, found out this law called complement law. P or negation P gives you tautology, and P and negation of P gives you contradiction. Fifth rule is commutative law. The commutative law we know already from the set language. If you take one preposition, its truth value may be true or false. Take another preposition, its truth value may be true or false. If you are with these two prepositions, and definitely that will be equal to taking the truth value of Q first or with truth value of second. So both the truth values will be equal. That's what commutative law says. Similarly, and also P and Q will be equal to Q and P. Okay, the operation and R are commutative. Okay, now let us commutative associative law. Okay, now the associative law, as we study in the set language, the associative law says that we can associate three sets in any way as we like. The same way here too, we are using that here in logical theory also. So associating P R with Q and afterwards R with R, is always equal to associating Q R with R and then R with P. Okay, so see, left hand side, right hand side, the association is different. Am I correct? But still the truth values are equal. That is what we call associative law in the logical theory. Now distributive law too, as we study in the set language, P R Q and R is equal to P R Q and P R R. This R is distributed over and here. R is distributed over and PRQ and PRR. This is also true. You take any 2 or 3 premises or prepositions or logical statements, and you can see that all these laws are true. And next one is, we call it as De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law says that if you take P and Q first, find out the truth value of P and Q first, and then take negation of that, and that is always equal to taking negation of P R with the negation of Q. Okay, left hand side equals right hand side, and this is called De Morgan's law. De Morgan's law. All can be proved by taking any premises, and we can prove that left hand side equals right hand side. And this is unnamed law, equivalence law. P implies Q, the operation implies Q will be equal to taking the negation of the P or with Q. That is, if we have two premise P and Q, the operation implies will be equal to taking the negation of the P or with Q. So both the truth values will be equal. Okay, these are the some of the formulas, laws of prepositions in the logical theory. So thank you very much, and we will meet you in the next class. Thank you.